Hey everybody, today we're going to learn about factors. What are factors, you ask? Well, factors are the numbers that we multiply. If I asked you to list the factors of 15, you would want to think about what numbers you could multiply to get 15. So you might say 1 times 15 or 3 times 5. Okay, that means that 15 has 4 factors: 1, 3, 5, and 15. Okay? Those are all numbers that you could multiply and get 15. Factors are also called divisors. Okay? Divisors would be numbers that we can divide by. So each one of these numbers would be a divisor of 15 because we could take 15 and divide it by that number. 15 divided by 1 is 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. And 15 divided by 15 equals 1. Okay, so factors and divisors are the same thing, and the number 15 has 4 factors that we just listed here. Look at another number like 36, we could list all the factors of 36. I like to use the idea of a factor rainbow whenever you're asked to list all the factors, because that helps make sure that you get all the factors, not just some of them. So when I make my list, I would start with 1. 1 is a factor of every number. Okay, so 1 is a factor, and then 36 is his buddy, I like to call it. 1 times 36 is equal to 36, which means 1 and 36 are both factors. Okay, if you wanted to, you could make the arch here to show. That's why it's called a rainbow. And then I go to the next number, which is 2. Is 2 a factor of 36? Yes, it is, because 2 times 18 equals 36. So 2 is a factor and 18 is a factor. I'm going to list both of them. Then you go to 3. Is 3 a factor of 36? Yes, because 3 times 12 is equal to 36. And then go to 4. Is 4 a factor of 36? Yes, 4 times 9. So 9 is also a factor. And then 5 would be the next number. Is 5 a factor of 36? No. Then go on to 6. Would 6 be a factor of 36? It is, yes. 6 times 6. So because you're multiplying it by itself, you just write 1 6 as a factor. Okay, and then we'll keep going to 7. Is 7 a factor of 36? No. Is 8 a factor of 36? No. And then I'm back to 9, which I've already listed. So when you do this idea of a factor rainbow, okay, see where the rainbow comes from? You don't have to draw those lines in, but you sure can if you want. It's just showing that the numbers are pairs whenever you have factors, unless, like 6 here doesn't have a pair because you would multiply 6 by itself. So this just helps us account for all the numbers, and it makes sure that we get all the factors listed. And then we also have our factors nicely organized from least to greatest. Okay, so here we have all the factors, or we could call them divisors, of 36. We would say that there are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 factors for the number 36. All right, so there you have it. Factors are the numbers that we multiply.